dulu. Halo. Oke teman-teman, kita sekarang berada posisi di desa mana? Lewogeroma. Oke, ini pendatang baru ini. 1-2 orang.
Main baru.
Ini, weh.
Anak bawah. Ini apa?
Stick koper kah?
Lur, apa namanya?
Lur pinggiran. Mantap. Oke, lanjut. Kita lanjut ke pesisir pantai. Turun ke bawah. Stay terus, jangan lupa subscribe, like, dan share video ini agar saya bisa membuatkan video-video yang lebih bermanfaat untuk kita semua. Oke, stay terus. Bedewak channel di depan saya pas-pas.
Sampai air. Main sedikit air.
Oke.
Airnya bagus satu dan tebing.
Oh. Oke.
Yo matai.
Oke teman-teman, keseruannya seperti ini. Bisa teman-teman lihat sendiri, medannya memang betul-betul parah.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. disappear like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase